Hello, my name is Mr. Oliveros, and I am here to share one of my favorite SADIE strategies. I'm going to go ahead and use something I have found from the GLAD project. Now, GLAD stands for Guided Language Acquisition Design. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what a GLAD poster would look like. And specifically, I'm going to use it as a cognitive content dictionary. So I have laid out this poster here for you guys to take a look at. Now this could be laminated, so you can use it again. You can use it in content areas. It could be used in different ways, but it's basically to guide your ELL students, perhaps maybe even during ELD time. So you start with the word, and let's say, just for sake, for example, we're going to do science, specifically rock science. And so we'll do the word igneous. So what does igneous mean? So we'll write it on our poster. Igneous. Okay, then we ask the class, can you make a prediction about what igneous means? Then you pause and wait. You can use equity sticks and pull names at random. If you want to check for prior knowledge, you can also extend it and have students raise their hand whether they have or have not heard of the word igneous. Then you would mark it for yourself in an informal assessment. H for heard of it and NH for not heard of it. So then you can see where you can guide your instruction, whether it's a term that perhaps goes above and beyond the whole class, or maybe half the class knows it. So it's one of the best practices to then guide your instruction. So from there, we talk about the word igneous and have kids turn to their partner, elbow partner, however it is that you do it in your class, and make a prediction. After the prediction has been made, you can go ahead and mark it off on your poster, and then we can go ahead and add an illustration. Now, I'm not going to go ahead and draw an igneous rock, but it's crucial in this SADIE strategy in the GLAD poster with the Cognitive Content Dictionary is to have vivid and bright illustrations. The more detailed and colorful they are, the more they're going to catch your students' attention, and they will make that connection between the illustration and the word, which is where you want that retention. So that is where your illustration would go. And then a kid-friendly definition. Now, all this could be written down in one of their notebooks, science notebooks. You can do it as a class. You can do it as a teacher guided and then have them do it using gradual release. I do, we do, then you do. So they have this a concrete model that they can turn to while doing their studies. And last, an extra piece that you can add to this component is an oral or written sentence. So you have the class think about a sentence that they could do or share out using the word igneous. So the reason why I say it could be oral is because you can help the ELL students who perhaps aren't there yet to be able to write in English a full sentence, so that way they can share it out loud. Or you can give them sentence frames like, I saw an igneous rock, or I like an igneous rock. Anything that can frame their state of mind to guide them to where you want them to be is the ultimate purpose of the lesson. And of course, the SADIE strategy, using the GLAD poster, specifically the Cognitive Content Dictionary. And you can get one of those examples. You just have to Google it, and you get something like this. So it's already done for you, so not to have to reinvent the wheel. So thank you for watching. I appreciate your time, and this is Mr. Oliveros out. Thank you.